an ever-increasing number of scientific publications whose provenance is not always known. While artificial intelligence is revolutionising science, it can also have adverse effects. This professor of biological physics sees the incredible progress of AI in her field every day, but she also warns against the phenomenon known as publication inflation.
We need to create an ecosystem where we value all across, from teaching to supervising to good quality publications, maybe revise the whole publication model, more collaboration with industry, and sort of value the scientists across a much broader spectrum than just a number of publications.
Weighing up the benefits and risks of AI in science is the focus of this conference organised by the European Parliament's Panel for the Future of Science and Technology, STOA. One of the topics discussed was the strategy for artificial intelligence in science, which the European Commission is developing.
We really need to gather all the knowledge we can, discuss as much as we can, and obviously to make sure that artificial intelligence will be human-centric and transparent and democratically accountable.
The future strategy will seek a balance between exploiting AI's capabilities and preserving the human element essential to scientific progress.